Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
We shall overcome. Sing with me. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we'll walk hand in hand all day. Convey light. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday.
Jingïatylli kedai Jingïakh kebajumi bonsen hakino ki Jingalang jeng kino ki kinhon niki seng Jaitbynriew Jongi. Jaitbynriew keperta buka kuat banyo ino Jingïatylli henry Kiwei pat Jaitbynriew ki pin I dakakam Jingïatylli Jongki. Kiwei niki nuksa kedai Jaitbynriew Kukizo Jaitbynriew Kukizo kala pin I Jingïatylli jong Jingïakh kebala pelong hakalai trik unai weng araja apulai. Nolol kibawan na Manipur kini kilaya tho bajan barok ki samna puli ba kito ki batrai bakta hangni Delhi ki badai na Jaitbynriew Kukizo ki bana ka jilla Manipur Mizoram bana ki weipat ki jilla kilawan banya snok tilang hakani ka Jingïakh ban pinpau ya ka jingsngau diaw halo ka Jingï beteng ka Jingïakh at Manipur mentala handru benai kinthi kini kidai ki pat Kukizo ha ka Jingïakh Delhi.
Share and try to solve this problem, but as I listen to some speeches, I think it's of no use. Kabayatun Home Minister to Kimutoinating Prime Minister Patu Kazo Khamin. Though today I'm nothing, I never count myself as a leader. No, please don't get me wrong. I'm not a leader, but I'm a Kuki, Zomi, Zo, Mar woman. I'm not proud. I have nothing. But I have my life given by our Almighty God. Share. And where is the Home Minister on whom we had so much faith? It doesn't sit down quietly and weep. When our forefathers fought for this great country's independence, why are we being termed as foreigners? Let me just tell you once again. When you sent me, when you sent me to the parliament, I did not fight only for my community. I fought for the whole of Manipur. I fought for the whole of northeastern region. How come the name Honorable CM Kitia, Honorable he does not know what is the meaning of Honorable CM.